Hey y'all, so today I want to show you how I made these beautiful photo boxes. I made them for a party not too long ago and everyone loved them, so I wanted to make one for my living room because I loved it too. They came out so good. It was super easy to make and super cheap. I want to show you all the products that were used and how to put everything together. So if you want to see how these beautiful boxes were made, just keep watching. So the products that you're going to use, you're going to need 4 picture frames, and I got these from Dollar Tree. They were $1.25 each, and these are size 5x7. I love these frames. They're so cute. They go with everything. And of course, gold is my favorite accent color. So 4 picture frames from Dollar Tree or wherever you get them from. You're going to need hot glue sticks. And of course, you're going to need a hot glue gun. You'll also need photos. So I printed these photos out with my printer. I just printed them on some photo paper that we had, size 5x7, of course, to fit into the frames. Whatever photos you choose. I just took these pictures randomly and chose them from my phone and printed them out because I thought they were super cute. So first, you're going to take your scissors and cut out your photos if you've printed them yourself. If not, you can send them to Walmart for super cheap and print them out as well. That's an option. So after you have cut out all of your pictures, you're going to go ahead and place the pictures inside of the frame. So now I'm just removing the plastic from the actual picture frame, and then I'm going to remove the back stand from the frame. So I'm just going to place it face down and just pull that back piece off, but I'm not going to press down too hard, just enough to get that back piece off, and it comes off pretty easy. Once I've removed that, I'm going to go ahead and open up the frame and take out the cardboard piece so I can place the picture inside. This paper I'm going to save and put back inside the frame once I place the picture in. And that's it. I think they came out so cute. I'm going to go ahead and continue and do this for the next 3 photos, and then I'll show you how to assemble it. All right, now it's finally time to assemble the boxes. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to glue all the frames together. Such a simple process. Just place your glue on the back of the frame, like so. Make sure you check to see how your photo is facing or which way your photo is facing before you actually glue the frames together. If not, you're going to have to flip the photo around if you glue it in the wrong direction. So once you place your glue down, just place your picture frame on top of the glue. You can see I kind of put it in an angle so the glue would not spill out on the outside. So if any glue spilled over, it would be inside of the box. You'll see it better once I place this one down. So place your photo at an angle and then push down. Now just placing the last photo onto the box to seal it all up. So you'll just put hot glue on each end and then just place your photo on top. And that is it for this box. I think it came out so stinking cute. I'm just taking a little bit of excess glue off, you know, the little strings that come with the hot glue, but that's okay. This box is so cute.